McKinnon. He's double teamed. Rantanen can't take the puck away. Now does. Skates to stick away from Drouin. Played ahead to Marchment. Marchment drives to the net. He holds, finds a cutter. Score! Marchment sets up Seguin. The Dallas Stars get the win in overtime. What a play by Marchment as he was able to find Seguin cutting to the net, and Seguin roofs it and wins it.
It was Rantanen who created this. He's going to get the second assist on this play. It was his strength in the defensive zone to get it out, and then Marchment drives the net and finds Seguin, who's driving. Good play by Marchment here. Head up, finds Seguin, who buries it as Dallas takes a 2-1 series lead. All started from the former Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Rantanen, and finished off by Tyler Seguin, his second of the series.
And Callie, that will be the first point of this series for Mikko Rantanen. And that was really an underrated part of that play, was it not? Skates to stick to win that puck, and he creates the rush.
Absolutely was. He's the one who got the puck.